At Employees page, you will find all employees that were added. By default, the list shows only the active employees. If you would like to view deactivated employees or employees with no associated device ID, then click these checkboxes at the top of the page. You can add, edit or delete employees as needed, change photo, view attendance logs and print DTR and SRA of selected employees. To add an employee, click on Action button, then click Add. To edit, click and select an employee, click Action, then click Edit. On the form, name, ID number and employment type are required. Enter the name of the employee. The recommended format is surname, first name then middle initial. The ID number must be the same with what you registered or will register in the biometric device to associate this employee to the device. Enter a job title, say bookkeeper. Select the department of this employee. Select if this employee is a regular employee or non-regular employee. Select the default work schedule. Select the default check-in or out rule. Then select the status. You can deactivate an employee, for instance that the employee already left the company. Deactivated employees are excluded on search results and reports. Once you are done with the changes, click on the Add or Update button to save the changes into the database. Back on the list, you can click and select an employee to change or remove photo. View logs or add a log manually for log correction. Print employees DTR or SRA. You can use Shift-click or Control-click to select multiple row of employees. To add, change or remove employees photo, click and select an employee, click on photo, then click on Add or Change. On the dialog, you can upload photo or take a photo from your computer's camera, crop it, then save it. To view logs, click and select an employee, click on Logs, then click on View Logs, select or enter the date range of logs you want to view. Then click View. You can export or print the displayed logs. You can also add a manual log from the dialog. You can add a manual log to correct or enter missed logs. Click Logs, then click Add Log. You need to enter the date, time of log and the rule to apply, then click Add Log to save. You can filter the employee list by entering a keyword on the search box. For example, you want to search for an employee with surname Martin. You can also filter the list by department by simply entering the keyword in the search box, for example type in accounting. You see now that only employees under accounting department are on the list. You can now select them all by shift-click. Then you can print their DTR at once. Double-click on the employee row to view the employee's profile.